Well, hello there. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and tonight we are going to make shish kebabs. Now, I found a whole bunch of clearance vegetables at Dillon's this week, and so I needed a way to use them up. What better way than making some shish kebabs? Now, when I was growing up in the 70s, there was really no meal that was more exotic or fancier than shish kebabs. I mean, think about it. Meat and vegetables on a metal skewer that your dad almost always burnt on the grill while holding a beer. It didn't get much better than that, unfortunately. And tonight we're gonna make those same shish kebabs, hopefully without burning it. Now get your aprons on, we're ready to cook. Tonight is shish kebab night, one of my favorite nights. And they're so easy to make, they just take a little time. And I'm using up a bunch of clearance vegetables because I got this veggie tray for $4. I got 3 green peppers for 99 cents. I think there were 4 zucchini in this bag for 99 cents because at the Kroger stores, it's called Dillon's in my area. Anytime it's in a red net bag, it's 99 cents. So I've cut up 2 green peppers. I did have to buy a red pepper, and I did have to buy a yellow squash, which I think was about $1. But I used two or three of the zucchini I got out of that red nut bag, cut up a couple of onions, and I had wanted to use steak, but there was no steak on clearance. I had none in the freezer, so I'm going to use this Andalese smoked sausage. Now, I love smoked sausage, especially this brand. I love Zatarain's or Zataran, I'm not sure how they pronounce it. I love their Andalese sausage, and I don't care what's in it. Please don't tell me what's in it because I want to continue to love these, even though I know they're not good for me. And now I'm just going to cut these up also, and we're going to start putting together our shish kebabs. Now, I have owned these dangerous weapons for a long time. I don't remember where I got them. You can also buy sticks at the store, but I prefer reusables of anything. So I'm going to cut this meat up and then start putting together these vegetables onto the metal stick. And by the way, the clearance steak they had, which didn't look very good, was like $8 or $9 for a steak. This was $3.49 because it was on sale for $3.99 this week. Plus, I had loaded a coupon for 50 cents off. So when you're making shish kebabs, it can be any kind of meat. It can even be vegetarian. I've made vegetarian shish kebabs many a time, and we're going to have those with some rice that I also got off clearance for $1.25. Got our shish kebabs all made. Half of them I used some clearance mushrooms on because my husband likes mushrooms. I do not. And I usually put a little teriyaki sauce or olive oil, but I bought some of this on clearance, I think for about 90 cents. I don't remember. It wasn't very much. And I'm going to try it on here. So I'm just going to drizzle a little on. And then also we'll probably brush some on as we grill it. This probably has a ton of sugar in it, so it'll burn if you're not careful. Now that is a ton of food, and we're not going to eat all that tonight. So I've already gotten out a couple of containers so I can put leftovers in here and throw them in the freezer. In our case this week, we're going out in our little camper to do a job. And so I've been making some ready-made meals, been putting leftovers into containers so that I can take these and have supper ready. And I had found some clearance spinach, and then I make myself a little salad kit of vegetables to take with me so I can make little side salads to go with these meals. It works out pretty good. It does look good though. I couldn't bring myself to buy steak, so it's Andalese sausage. Okay. Yours are the ones with mushrooms.
I could tell. I perceived that.
Those turned out great. With a little bit of rice, it's a perfect meal. Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Please give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment. All those things make me happy. And I'm going to see you out with a little footage from here around Bright Bridge Farm. And I hope you have a great evening. All of the daffodils are coming up and all the weeds are coming up too. You know what's coming, don't you? You know what's coming. Come on, we got to get it done. Come on.
Good girl. Well, you're ready for me to wipe your feet, but you're going to get a bath. You're going to get a bath.
You ready? All right. You gotta stand up. You gotta stand up, sweetheart. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Ready? It's a good girl. It's a good girl.
I made it warm for you. You're such a good bath taker. You're such a... No, we're not getting out quite yet. Not yet. All right. But you did really good. You did really good. You're a good bath taker.